Assalamu alaikum to all students. Hope you all are fine. As you know, in previous lecture we have completed our unit number 5. And now today I will discuss about exercise 6.1. Today is lecture number 16. Let's move on today's lecture. Our first question is find the HCF of the following expression. Okay? HCF stands for highest common factor, means the factor that is common in both terms. Okay, we will discuss now today this kind of question. Our first question is 39x power 7 y cube and z, and its second term is 91x power 5 y power 6 and z power 7. Okay, our first question is 39x power 7 y cube and z, 91 x power 5 y power 6 and z power 7. You can write 39 as 3 into 13 x power 7 y cube and z, and you can write 91 as 13 into 7, 13 sevens are 91. Okay, 13 into 7 x power 5 y power 6 and z power 7. So see that here 13 is common. Okay, 13 is common in both terms, so taking 13 common. Okay, and here is the smallest power of x is 5. Okay, so x power 5 is common, that is highest common factor in both term. And in y power 3 is common, because the smaller power is of y is y cube. Here y cube is common, and here the smallest power is 1, only 1, z power 1, so z is common. Okay, our highest common factor of this equation will be 13 x power 5 y cube and z. Hope you may understand this. Our second question about HCF is 102 x y square z, 85 x square y z, and 187 x y z square. We have here three terms. One is 102 x y square z, second is 85 x square y square x square y and yz, and third term is 187 x y z square. Okay, so you can write 102 as 2 multiply 3 into 17. If we multiply these terms, 2 into 3 multiply 17, that is 102. 2 into 3 into 17 x y square z. Okay, our second term is 85 x square y z. 5, you can write 85 into 5 into 17 x square y and z. 187 x y z square, you can write as 11 into 17 x y z square. So you can note down here 17 is common in all the terms. 17 is common in all the terms, so you can write 17. The least power in all the term in three terms is x power 1. Okay, here is x1, x square and x. The smallest power is x power 1. So taking x power 1 common, and in y square, here in first term y square, y and y. The smallest power is y. So y is common, and z and z square. Here smallest power of z is 1. So z is common. So highest common factor in all the term in all these terms 17x by z. Okay. Question number 2. Find the HCF of the following expression by factorization. We have to first draw factors of the polynomial term and then find the HCF. Okay. Our first term is x square plus 5x plus 6. You can write 5x as x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. We have to factorize it. We have to solve it by factorization method. Okay. You can see that here x is common. Remaining will be x plus 3, and in next terms here is 2 common. Taking 2 common, then remaining will be x plus 3. X plus 3 is common factor, remaining will be x plus 2. In second polynomial term, here is x power 4, x square minus 4x minus 12. X square minus 4x minus 12, you can write it as minus 6x plus 2x. Okay, you can write minus 4x as minus 6x minus 6x plus 2x, because we have to find such kind of factors, such kind of terms. By multiplying we may get minus 12, and by adding we may get minus 4. So you can see that 6 2s are 12, and minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Here x is common, remaining will be x plus 6. And in next, plus 2 is common, remaining will be x minus 6. X minus 6 is common factor, so taking common x minus 6, remaining will be x plus 2. So you can see here in this one and in this one. In our first vector and second vectors, here is x plus 2 is common. Okay, x plus 2 is common, so we can take x plus 2 as a HCF, because this is highest common factor in both polynomial term. Question number 3. Question number 3 is about x cube minus 27 plus x square plus 6x minus 27, 2x minus 2x square minus 18. By solving first term, here is x cube minus 27. You can write it x cube minus 3 cube. Okay. Formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you can change this, convert this into formula. Value of a is x and value of b is 3. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. X minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 3 square. 3 square is 9. That is our first vector. First vector of that is vector of first polynomial term. And in next term polynomial term, x square plus 6x minus 27. Okay, you can write it as x square plus 9x minus 3x minus 27, because 9 3s are minus 27. If we add this 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, here is x common, taking common x, remaining will be x plus 9 minus 3 is common, remaining will be x plus 9. Okay, taking common x, then remaining will be x plus 9. Taking common minus 3, remaining will be x plus 9. Here x plus 9 is common, remaining will be x minus 3. That are the factors of second polynomial term, polynomial equation. Our third polynomial equation is 2x square minus 18. You can take common, 2 is common, remaining will be x square minus 9. You can write 9 as minus 3 square. 2 into x square minus 3 square. As you know, formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can write it x plus 3, 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. So you can note down here in all the three terms, here is x minus 3 is common. In first term, you can see that here is x minus 3. In second term, here is x minus 3. In third term, also x minus 3. So highest common factor is x minus 3. Our third question is x cube minus 2x square plus x, that is our first term. X square plus 2x minus 3, that is second term. X square plus 3x minus 4, that is third term. Solving by first x square minus 2x square plus x. Here you can see that x is common. The remaining will be x square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1, that completes the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. So value of a is x and value of b is 1. A minus b whole square, you can write it as x into x minus 1 and x minus 1. You can write it into twice time because power is square. Our next term is x square minus 2x minus plus 2x minus 3. So we have to find such kind of factors. By multiplying we may get minus 3. By adding we may get plus 2. So you can write it as x in x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Taking x common, remaining will be x plus 3 minus 1 common, remaining will be x plus 3. So x plus 3 is common factor, remaining is x minus 1. Our third polynomial equation is x square minus x square plus 3x minus 4. So you can break 3x as 4x minus x. By adding, we may get 3x. Okay? And by multiplying, we may get 4 minus 4. 4 ones are minus 4. So here, taking x common, remaining will be x plus 4 minus 1 common, remaining will be x plus 4. So taking common factor, x plus 4 is common factor, remaining will be x minus 1. So you can note down here in all the terms here x minus 1 is common. X minus 1 is present in first equation. Fact, x minus 1 is also present in second equation. X minus 1 is also present in third equation. So you can write HCF as x minus 1. Question number 4 is 18 into x cube minus 9x square plus 8x. Okay, and our second equation is 24 into x square minus 3x plus 2. Here 18 is common, remaining will be x cube minus 18. By solving this, you can write 18 as 2 into 9, 9 because 2 9s are 18. Okay, x square minus 9x plus 8. You can break minus 9x as minus 8x minus x. Okay. So taking common x is common, remaining will be x minus 8. Minus 1 is common, x remaining will be x minus 8. 18 is you can write 18 as 2 into 3 square into here x minus 8 is common, remaining will be x minus 1. Solving our next term polynomial term, here is 24 x square minus 3x plus 2. You can write 24 as 2 into 2 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 is 24. Okay, you can write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, Zara Tufail, I got your message. I will change this. Okay, you can write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, uh, the remaining term is x square minus 2x, x square minus 3x plus 2. You can write minus 3x as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Taking common here, x is common, remaining will be x minus 1, sorry, x minus 2, and minus 1 is common. It will also change the sign x minus x plus 2. Taking common x into taking x common, taking x common, remaining will be x minus 2, and taking minus 1 common, the remaining will be x minus 2. So here common factor is x minus 1. By taking common x minus 1, remaining will be x minus 2. Okay, you can see that in first question you can compare in first and second. Here you can see that 2 and 3 also present. Okay, the least power of 2 is 2 power 1. Okay, and the least power of 3 is 3 power 1. You can compare it. uh, the least power is 2, 2 is 1, 2 into 3, the common factors are 2 into 3, and x minus 1 is present. X minus 1 is present on both the terms. X minus 1 taking common x minus 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6 into x minus 1. Our last question of today's lecture is 36 into 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 2x square, and 54 into 27 x power 4 minus x. You can see that here in first term x square is common. Okay, taking common x square, and you can write 36 as 4 multiply 9. Okay, 4 multiply 9 x square, taking x square common, remaining will be 3x square plus 5x minus 2. 4 into 9 into x square, you can write 5x as 6x minus x. Okay, 6x minus x. Taking common, 3x is common, remaining will be x plus 2. Taking common minus 1, remaining will be x plus 2. Because here we have taken minus 1 is common, minus common, then sign will also change in inner term. Okay, You can write 4 as 2 square. You can write 9 as 3 square. 2 square into 3 square into x square. Common factor is x plus 2. Taking common x plus 2, remaining will be at 3x minus 1. That is our first factor. Factors. You can write 54 as 2 into 27. Here you can see that x is also common. Okay, in question you can see that 54, 27, x power 4 minus x. Okay, so you here is taking common, x is common, remaining will be 27 x cube minus 1. You can write 27 as 3 cube, 2 into 3 cube into x into 3x cube minus 1, 1 cube. Okay, by opening the formula, by following the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, by converting this into formula, a minus b, 3x is common, a minus b into a square, 3x whole square, that is equal to 9x square, plus ab, value of a is 3x and value of b is 1, that that is ab plus b square, 1 square is 1. Okay, you can note in equation 1 and equation 2 that was what is least common here. Here common we may take common 2 because lowest power of 2 is 1. Okay, you can write as 2 into 3 square and x also, and in equation 1 and equation 2 you may note that 3x minus 1 is also common. Remaining will be 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18. 18x minus 1. Okay, so beta, that is your questioning time. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask. Hadi, I got your message, but you may have internet issue. Okay, that's why you can't see my slide. Mubashir, yes, you have to do all question on your neat copies. Got it, Mubashir? Faris, you also may have internet issue, so you can't hear me. Amina, kindly inform me which slide I have to show to you. Okay? Tell me question number, then I will show you a slide.